Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be getting into 5 ways you can make money from home. I know that everyone has been affected by this recent pandemic, and I just really wanted to go out of my way to provide you with 5 different ways you can make some supplemental income while you self-quarantine. If you enjoy the content that I provided to you today, please consider smashing that like button and hitting the subscribe button for that YouTube algorithm. So the first way to make money from home is through a platform called Fiverr. Founded in 2010 by a company from Tel Aviv, Fiverr is a freelance service marketplace that helps employers find talent for their projects. Fiverr's job is to facilitate between employers and freelancers. It is easy and free to sign up, so you can have a profile set up in about 10 to 15 minutes. Fiverr's pool of work also ranges from quick jobs to more extensive and tedious jobs that can have paid differences of between $5 to even a few $1,000s. Usually the higher tier jobs require a little more experience and proven record. Moving on, our second option is testing websites for a platform called User Testing. Founded in 2007 and based out of San Francisco, User Testing is a platform that many well-known companies such as Facebook, Subway, Expedia, all use to attain real-time feedback from customers for future customers. Each test takes about 20 minutes, and the compensation for this is $10 into your PayPal. So let's say you're churning these bad boys out and really getting done in a couple hours. You can make upwards of $30 an hour just for a couple hours of work. So that's not bad money if you ask me. Our number 3 option is a company called Upwork. Founded out of Campbell, California in 2015, Upwork, like Fiverr, is a freelance service marketplace. If you are looking for tech-related for compensation, this may be suitable for you. I will say that it looks like these jobs require a little more expertise and experience in the area that you're applying for, but the compensation ranges anywhere from $20 to about $200 an hour. Our number 4 option is online tutoring. In this instance, we'll be talking about a company known as Chegg. Founded in 2005 in Santa Clara, California, Chegg is mostly known for being a marketplace for college students and all kinds of students who are looking for reasonably priced books. But since 2012, Chegg has compensated people on their Chegg Tutors platform who are willing to instruct and tutor kids online, and their compensation starts at $20 an hour. If you don't really envision yourself as becoming a tutor, similar platforms such as Skillshare and Udemy allow you to share your expertise in any area. Our 5th option would be fixing internet errors through a platform called Lionbridge. Founded in 1996 out of Massachusetts, Lionbridge is a company that deals with data analysis and also hires at-home workers to fix common errors and internet ads. Compensation is said to be anywhere from $10 to $13 an hour. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe so the YouTube algorithm knows to take me seriously. With that said, I would like to give a huge shout out to all the people that have already supported me and subscribed. If you have any comments about improvement, ideas for videos you'd like to see on the channel, or questions that you would like answered, please go ahead and comment down below. That's all I have for today, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you in the next one.